All right. Hello, everybody. Just want to go ahead and help you guys save some money. I saved myself 50 bucks a month off my internet service just by filling out a quick 5-minute form and submitting like my tax forms. You can submit lots of proof of how much income you make. But I want to go ahead and show you guys this. I got a response back from the Emergency Broadband Benefit Program. I think this was signed into law under one of the stimulus package programs from Biden. But you can save 50 bucks a month off your internet just by answering some simple questions. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about here, guys. So at this web address right down here, I'll have the link down here to this website down below in the description. You can come here, you can find out if you qualify. Now, you're going to qualify for 50 bucks a month off your internet through your child or dependent if you already have Lifeline benefits. If you use SNAP, Medicaid, or any other program, and this isn't like you have to have all of these, any one of these would qualify you. Supplemental Social Security income, federal public housing assistance, if you qualify for that, you're going to qualify for this. If you received a federal Pell Grant in the current year, if your child has free or reduced price school lunch programs, including the U.S. Department of Agriculture Community Eligibility Provision Schools, if you have tribal specific programs, including any of these here. But big ones here are going to be the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP, basically food stamps, right? If you qualify for food stamps, you're going to qualify for this. If you have Medicaid, or your kids have Medicaid to live with you, you're going to qualify. Or, right here, guys, if none of those happen, and you make less than $99,000 per year for single filers, or if last year in 2020, when you filed your taxes, you and your spouse made less than $198,000, you're going to qualify. And this is going to save you $50 a month, and it's real easy to do. So you're going to come down here, you're going to hit apply now. And then when you come in here, you're going to put in your legal name, you're going to put in your birth date, the last four of your social security number, or your tribal ID number if that's the case. And then you simply need to supply proof of like your driver's license or whatever, and then your home address. And if you don't qualify for any of the things we talked about, you can, you can hit that, and then you're going to basically submit some kind of proof, either a picture of your, your Medicaid card, or, I just submitted my 2020 federal tax copy of that, which I had on my computer anyway. So I filed my 1040 that I filed for taxes, and that qualified me. So once I submitted it, it came back in like 30 minutes and said, I qualify with that email. So also, not every ISP is going to honor this. So what you can do here, guys, is you can come up here and you can click on companies near me, right? And you can click on this, you can put in your zip code, and you can find out what ISPs, so you can either put in your zip code or your city and state, and search and find out what ISPs provide this program near you. So that's really easy to find out if your ISP is going to honor this, or you can simply go to your ISP's website or call your ISP as well. But this is really easy to do. How hard is it to put in your zip code to make sure that your website? So what I would do before you even fill out the form is I'd make sure your internet service provider ISP is going to honor it by putting in the zip code here. By again simply coming to this website where I have the link down below and click on companies near me. And then if your company does honor this, then you can come in here and you can go to do I qualify, and you can scroll down to the bottom there and hit apply now. This will save you $50 a month through the end of 2021 at least. I think for at least 6 months, if not longer. So that's like $300 or more. So be sure you let me know if this video has helped you guys out, if you guys even knew about this, and if you guys qualify and save yourself 50 bucks a month. If you guys want to say thank you, consider giving me and my son a donation at the donation link down below, guys. And it would definitely be a blessing to have any kind of donation. Buy us a cup of coffee, buy us a pizza, whatever. You can put in your donation link down below to show your gratitude for seeing this video and saving yourself 50 bucks a month off your internet. Be sure you let me know, though, guys, whether you donate to me or not. Let me know down in the comments down below if this video has helped you save 50 bucks a month off your internet, or if you even knew about this. I'd love to know. This has been Zaxtorian 99, trying to help you guys out. Take care, everybody. Have a great one. Peace.